the 18-wheeler is at fault.
So the other day, I'm doom scrolling. You know, we all do it. You just scroll through. I found a news story in Houston. Nobody else is covering this. And I found it very interesting because it kind of points out the truth about trucking. Now, there's a guy driving down the road. This is his story.
This week, we introduced you to Carlos Campos. The 26-year-old says he was driving home from work around 6 a.m. on Tuesday, August 19th, when he was involved in a crash with an 18-wheeler in the 5300 block of South Cockrell Hill Road in Dallas.
He said he was driving down the road, and the trucker veered over into his door and severed his arm. That's why he has no arm in the picture. Okay? Now, if that's not strange enough, supposedly the truck driver did a hit and run and drove away.
Campos says he lost part of his left arm because it was out the window at the time of the crash. He claims the big rig swerved into him and the driver of the 18-wheeler did not stop.
As the story develops, they put a picture out of the truck, but I don't know where that is. I can't find it anywhere, so I think that's been scrubbed at this point. But the trucking company owner got wind of what was going on. He calls the news and gets a hold of the police. And he's basically saying, and he provided a video to prove it.
The company contacted us and says he reached out to police once he saw images of his truck and saw that police were looking for him. So he shared 2 videos with us and says he received it from a business nearby, which he believes brings more context as to what happened.
That's not exactly what happened. That he's sorry that the guy lost his arm, but that's not what happened. So I'll show you the video.
That my driver is traveling about 20 to 30 miles per hour in the middle lane, and you can clearly see his SUV coming from the back at a high speed, impacting the back of the trailer.
Enrique says his truck driver did not feel the impact because of the large load he was hauling and says he did not see anything on the side mirrors.
Is it possible that because the truck weighed so much, he didn't feel that quick collision in the back? And it's not a hit and run because he didn't even know he was in an accident in that, 2, 3, 4 second clip. He didn't happen to look in his mirror right at that second. Would that still be a hit and run if he had no idea that there was an accident? Yeah, now it looks like to me that he hit the back of the truck and then maybe scrubbed up against them as he come up. He had lost control. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. Is that the truck's fault or is that the guy's fault? I don't know. You let me know. But I think that the weird part about the whole thing is the guy that had his arm severed is still going to proceed saying it's the trucker's fault.
NBC5 reached back out to Carlos, the man who lost his arm, and he says he's sticking to his story and believes that the 18-wheeler was in the wrong. Now, Dallas police confirm investigators were provided the 2 black and white videos by the owner of the truck. Police say they are still working on this investigation.
Now, you saw the video. You tell me what you think down in the comments. This just points out a glaring thing that happens to truckers all the time. A lot of times people see us and they think, oh, look, there's a place I can make some money. Do you agree with me? Always remember, truckers are people too. See you in the next video.